Hello, it's Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. In front of us is a 2012 Mini Countryman. So this is the four-door wagon with the 1.6 inline four with the turbocharge. It is the S and it is a manual. So British racing green, black interior, one owner, one owner, and only 6,500 miles. So this has been a second home, vacation home car here in the Sun Valley area. Obviously light use, and it's on the market for the first time. So if you ever wanted a new car at a used car price, this is the car for you. So this Mini is front wheel drive. It wouldn't be the Countryman if it was an all-wheel drive, because those are the all four. So a lot of these in town, if you do live in the snow country like we do, front wheel drive and a pair of snow tires really does it all. A pair of Blizzaks on there and it'll get through just about anything. The clearance is higher than a normal Cooper, and even just the two-door classic Mini Coopers, they're so roomy inside. Small car, but when you get in them, just tons of legroom, tons of space. I've driven these all the way down to Monterey, California, one shot, 11 hours. I'm an old guy and pop out and my body just feels great. So they are a really well-designed car, plenty of room in there, and I'm trying to keep it not too over the top, but just a bunch of fun to drive. If you really like driving versus just transportation A to B, the suspension on here, the Mini BMW DNA in it is just phenomenal. Just turn the wheel, put the gas on and go. Certainly I mean they make them a lot of different ways, automatic, non-S's, but if you're gonna have a Mini, in my opinion, just go full sports car, and the S with that turbo is absolutely imperative, and the manual really just gives you the full driving experience. So the condition, hopefully you've seen as I've gone around, really nothing to point out. Wheels are uncurbed. There are no door dings, heavy scratches, anything like that. Sometimes these low mile cars, if they're just sit in a busy garage, kids leaning skateboards, scooters, I've seen cars that just get dinged every time the other car comes in the garage. Just not the case here. Low miles, 6,500 miles, and it just looks the part all the way around. This did come in for a full service. The battery tested low, so it does have a new battery in there. Got a full synthetic service. And the only thing I have left to do, I saw as I was bringing it in here, is I've got a tire light on, and so that might be actually the sensor, but we'll air up some tires. Sometimes they can be sensitive. I'll double check that, have the boys make sure that that's good to go. So when we get inside, look at the miles, you will see the tire light on, and that'll be addressed. Give me a buzz, 208-721-1973, if you call in before you come in. Just remind me, double check, and we'll make sure that's been sorted out. So it does have the Harmon kardon sound system in it. It is seating for four. The interior is in really great shape. Black interior, great sound system, no rips, no tears, non-smoking. Does have the panoramic roof, so everybody gets a sunroof, moonroof rather. There's a tweeter there for the Harmon kardon sound system. My focus is not good, but I'll move on. I've got photos of that. All the door cards are in good shape, no gouges. Seats are gorgeous. Manual seats. Ah, there's my key. Oh, did I leave the key? So go ahead and fire it up. No nav, which I like. Everybody's got phones, great sound system, but we can turn that down. There's your miles, 65 and 11. This is on consignment, so it's gonna stay real close to that. Nothing that we're gonna jump in, go to lunch with, anything like that. So low tire, I'll get that looked at. If it is a sensor, those can be expensive, so I'll get that replaced. And that warning light is tied to that. So just let me know. Super simple, I'll get that sorted out. There's your manual transmission. You also do have heated seats, front, rear, all the fan controls, lighter, lights, brights, as expected, do work. You've got a bug screen there, windscreen, 6,500 miles, freshly serviced, fresh battery. Just a no issue car. So hopefully this quick video helps you out, lets you know the condition of this car, and you can give me a buzz, let me know how it matches up with what you're looking for. I'm Shep. I can be found at 208-721-1973, 208-721-1973. I do like that white roof and the white mirror covers. It really sets off that British racing green. Gorgeous wheels. There's a little load entry scuffing right there, so be aware of that. But well sorted car, ready to go, ready for its second owner, and ready to be driven. I'm Shep. Thanks for watching.